We are learning more now about how Facebook turned over a mom and her teenage daughter's chats to police in Nebraska. Court documents show police served Facebook a warrant as part of an investigation into an alleged illegal abortion. The probe started back in April before the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. It's a situation that abortion rights advocates have really been warning about for some time. Prosecutors say Jessica Burgess gave her then 17-year-old daughter abortion pills and then helped her bury and rebury the fetus. They were both charged last month and pleaded not guilty. Under Nebraska law, an abortion is illegal 20 weeks after an egg is fertilized. Burgess's daughter was about 23 weeks pregnant at the time that she took the pills, that according to an affidavit. A lawyer for the two women did not respond to a request for comment. Kevin Collier has been reporting on this. Kevin, Facebook was served with a warrant in June for access to the mother and the daughter's digital information. And in fact, wasn't it like private messages? What exactly did they get access to?
They got a significant glimpse into their digital lives. The warrant covered 6 smartphones, 7 laptops, and crucially, their Facebook accounts, which included chats between the two, where they allegedly discussed their plan for the mother to acquire pills for medical abortion for the daughter and then instructing her when and how to take.
And this situation is one of the few known instances of Facebook turning over information to help authorities pursue an abortion case. You've talked to experts who say they fear we could be seeing more of this, though, right?
Yes. In fact, this is precisely the scenario that experts have been warning about. Not that it's impossible, but it doesn't really fit the MO of law enforcement in general when they see cases like this to, say, try to get a period tracker to see everyone who's been pregnant in a region. Instead, they, in the past, and like in this case, they're much more likely to wait till they get a tip that someone had an illegal abortion and then use that subpoena power to gather digital evidence of criminal intent that a person wanted an abortion and then knowingly took steps to have one.
So if we're expecting to see more of this, can Facebook change its practices? Is there any way that it could protect users in these situations if it chose to?
Yes and yes. Most experts agree that, maybe some people can quit Facebook, but it's not really realistic to disconnect entirely from having a digital life. Much more realistically is people can choose to only chat over secure and encrypted chat apps. Facebook actually offers that, but only under the Messenger app through a mobile device and when you turn on that function. So companies could offer not just encryption in some cases, but make it the default for all users.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's what's kind of astonishing, that they literally asked for the Messenger chat records between a mother and a daughter who was a minor. So this really opens up a whole lot of questions for authorities and for legal experts. Kevin, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.